year. And since it's Valentine's Day, I thought I would treat you to what I call a twofer, or a 2 Sunday science tidbits in one night, so we'll call it couples edition. You all have heard that diamonds are a girl's best friend, but there's a phenomenon known as diamond dust. In part 1, we're going to take a look at the spectacular event. So diamond dust is known as clear sky precipitation because it can happen under full sunshine. It requires really cold temperatures to make these tiny pencil-shaped ice crystals, and it's typically found in the Arctic. Light from the sun bounces on these tiny crystals, giving it a glittering and sparkling effect, much like a diamond ring under a bright light. So that's not snow you're seeing in the video. That's actually like little glimmers of ice crystals in the sky. You can see it in the Antarctica Plateau about 316 days of the year. Now, if you take your loved ones outside to go stargazing, why is it better to take them in the wintertime than in the summer? Well, during the summer in the northern hemisphere, our placement in the orbit actually allows us to see more stars in the sky as we face towards the center of the Milky Way. Yet it's so hard to see them in the summertime because that's the amount of moisture in the air. The warmer the temperature, the more moisture it can hold. And in cold winter nights like we had last night, it really strips out all that moisture in the air, making the sky seem much more crisp and bright. And that's pretty cool. So if you get outside, if you can brave the cold, you can actually see some really pretty skies in the winter time. So that is your couples edition of the Sunday Science Tidbit.
I like that. Maybe cuddle up, head outside with a blanket and
like
some
hot
cocoa.
chocolate. Yep,
I have noticed that it's just gorgeous, usually on cold nights when you can't really spend all that time outside.
I know, right? You're just like, okay, this is pretty, let me go.
That's exactly right. All right, thanks so much, Candice. More to